Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Here I'm using Blender 2.79b, the newest version. And I'm going to show you today how to make a glass wine cup. So, let's begin with deleting the cube. Oh, make sure our cursor is centered. Cursor to center, you use a shift, you shift A. And add a cylinder. There you go. We got that little cylinder guy there. Let's go on and proceed with the big part of this whole project. Shift. We can now select, press 5 on the or is it? It's 5 on the numpad first. Then we go with tab edit mode. Let's set the faces for now. And I guess we'll go 5. No, 1. Click on 1 on your numpad. Then we can proceed to go with click on Control R, and that'll nope, not yet. Let's actually scale this, like kind of scale this thing a bit bigger. Now we can do Control R and do a bunch of little loop cuts. Boom. Double click quickly. And I use my wheel to make a different loop, how many loops I want. And so now let's continue. Alt right click, scale, keep on doing this. Actually, let me do Shift Alt right click. Oh, nope. Right click. Nope. I don't know why this isn't working. Let me see here for a minute. This short, okay. Alt right click. You see that doesn't work, so that's why I'm thinking Shift Alt right click. Alt right click, Shift Alt right click. Okay, so I guess I'll just have to do it manually. Sometimes it doesn't work. I'll scale that there. Alt right click. Oh, Control C, and I'll scale it. So I'm making now the handle, like the stock of the wine cup. Scale. Alt right click, scale. Alt right click, scale. Upscale it a bit more. And there we go. Or maybe I shouldn't even scale it out. Okay, so now we can get started on actually the cup itself. Start, Alt right click, bring it down here a bit, scale it just a teensy bit. Control, bring it down, Alt right click, scale. And this here, it's a pretty easy thing to do, and once you can do this, you can pretty much make any cup you can think of virtually. So I guess this is a nice looking cup, wouldn't you say the same? And we can scale it now, this bottom part, foot. Now we can proceed to the next part. I'll go with, oh, sorry, it's Control Z. Face select, I select the face here, the top face here. Oh, go to 1, click on Z and go into wireframe mode. I'll extrude this, scale it just a teensy bit, and we can E. Oh no, not yet. Actually, I don't want to scale it probably. Okay, so there we go. Go back to 1. Scale it very microscopically. E, and so we can go all the way over here. Scale on the there. E, scale. The inside doesn't matter too much anyway, so E, scale, E, scale, E, scale. There we go. And I can go a little bit more here. E, scale, E, scale, scale. Done. There we go. Perfecto. Magento. Okay, anyways. Tab out of. We're in object mode now. Get out of wireframe and solid mode. Smooth this a little bit. Smooth this a bit here. Makes it look much nicer. We can now go to here. Oh, anyways, you can go right here. Now to Materials tab. Select New. Click on New. We can see the preview here too. Instead of diffuse, we will use glass. We'll stick with Beckman. Color's fine. No roughness. Maybe a teensy bit, I don't know. I guess not, that's fine. Never mind. IOR, we can leave it, bring it up to 1.7 something. Okay. Let me bring it right here to 1.850. Perfect. Now we can press 5 again, since I like being in perspective view. We can go in the camera view. Right click on the lamp. And use nodes. We'll bring it down, because we're going to be using sun. And that's way too strong, so we'll go on about 5, I'd say. And so now we can, technically I guess is all that we have left is just to raise this thing up a bit. And I'll right click on the camera and grab it, raise it up about this much. Cursor to center. Shift A, add a plane. And then you can scale it pretty much. And let me just make sure we have the cup all set. There we go. Okay, let's adjust this here a bit. A teensy little bit. Very little. 0. 0. Now we can go to 0 and click on Z rendered. So now this is how our cup would look like. We don't want that, so we can scale. Okay, and then we can click on world right here. You see the world button, preview. This is going to be the background. We'll add a green background. Anyways, I guess that'll work. We'll add strength. Let it be this strong. Not too strong. We don't want it to be too strong anyways. Okay. There we go. Let's go into rendered. Now it just looks like that right now, but once you finalize it, it'll look really good. Okay, so we can do final render here now. Raise up the samples and render it. Okay, there we go. Glass cup looks really nice, as a matter of fact. I guess I think I really like it. experiment with it. You see right here, it's kind of dark because of the green background. It really depends on what kind of background, what setup, what lighting you use. But here you have it technically, if you want to make it quick. You have the whole setup here pretty much. And you can use this pretty much on any glass cup that you possibly want to make. Pretty much they all apply with the same rules applied to all of them. So okay, so guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. This is my first tutorial, of course, so it isn't so great, I know, but I'll try to start doing them better. I'm just getting started, and hope you stop by again, and see ya. Bye.